So thank you for purchasing the strut tower covers. To start off, I'd like you to just place it over the top. The one with the U cut out is the one for this side. Just place it over in position first, just to see the fit. And there's a black earth cable here. If it ends up being a bit tight to the top of there, just push it down, it's fine. Just give yourself a bit of clearance, that's all right. So now for the application, I'd like you to place the black cap that came with the product on this nut there. Yep, lovely, thank you. Then you get your isopropanol and make sure you clean the area properly. As with any 3M application, preparation is key. You want a really nice clean area so the tape will stick. Once that's all nice and clean, get a knife, take the red tape off. 1, 2, you getting this? 3?
Yeah, you're right in front.
Lovely. And what we do is place it over the top in position and press. So there we go, fitted.